Today our topic is bronchial asthma. Introduction. Asthma can occur at any age and is the most common chronic disease of childhood. Despite increased knowledge regarding the pathology of asthma and the development of better medication and management plans, the death rate from asthma continue to increase. Definition. Bronchial asthma is a chronic inflammatory disease of the airways characterized by airflow obstruction, bronchial hyperactivity, and a mucus production. Then, risk factor for asthma: positive family history, allergy, strongest risk factor, chronic exposure to airway irritants or allergen. Now let's move causes. The attacks can last longer than 24-hour. Infection, anxiety, nebulizers, abuse, dehydration, increased adrenal blockage, and non-specific irritants may contribute to these episodes. Clinical manifestation. The three most common symptoms of asthma are cough, especially at night, dyspnea, and wheezing. In some instances, cough may be the only symptoms. Asthma attack often occur at night or early in the morning. इसके कहने का सेंस है कि अस्थमा जो है ना वो ज़्यादातर ना नाइट में होती है और अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग और सुबह सुबह मॉर्निंग में. ठीक है. लेबर ब्रीथिंग, prolonged exhalation in outburst, neck vein and wheezing and leading to respiratory failure. Now, diagnostic evaluation. History collection, physical examination, occupation related to chemical and compounds, sputum culture, arterial blood gas analysis, ABG, pulse oximeter, pulmonary function test. Now, management. Medical management. Immediate intervention is necessary because the continuing and progressive dyspnea leads to increased anxiety, aggravating the situation. Quality asthma care involves only not initial diagnosis and treatment to achieve asthma control but also long term regular follow up care to maintain control. Now moves. Nursing management. The immediate nursing care of the patient with asthma depending on the severity of the symptoms. The patient may be treated successfully as on outpatient if asthma symptoms are relatively mild or he may require hospitalization and intensive care for acute and severe asthma. The patient and family are often frightened and anxious because of patient dyspnea. Thus, an important aspect of care is a calm approach. The nurse assesses the patient respiratory status by monitoring the severity of symptoms, breathing, sound, peak flow, pulse oximeter, and vital sign. Thank you. Now, conclusion. Asthma is a disease of inflammation and bronchial muscle constriction causes by sensitivity lungs that is swollen when introduced to an allergen or irritants. Symptoms include cough, wheezing, chest congestion, and tightness and SOB. Diagnose with PFT symptoms and allergy test. Treat with bronchodilators, steroids, allergen medication, and avoidance of allergies. Asthma is a chronic inflammation of the bronchial tubes airway that causes swelling and narrowing of the airway. Always assess disease severity and control in asthma patient. Bibliography. Lippo, Lippincotts Medical Surgical Nursing 10th edition. Burner and Sudharth Medical Surgical Nursing. Help from the internet. Following website links have been used in the completion of this assignment: www.wikipedia.org, www.youtube.com, www.google.com. Thank you. Share and subscribe my channel, please.